Budo bo manak. Jangan ngokor-ngokor ya endo.
Gini luar betul ya.
welcome. You are highly welcome. Let's receive our mama. Yes. Right. Oyama wajol mero. Oyama wajol wero. Mero ho. And I don't know what I'm calling you. Oh, chiama bene, più prima bene. Chi che giole, chiama binocco per il cielo. E chiama, siamo pronti alla fare. Quello che ne gioca, chi può qua, come chi è, io ho di giocare. Ecco, qua ci sta, io ho re. So we also expecting the vehicle to assist in school. Get ready for that presentation. To welcome the minister and his house. This is a wonderful picture for us. Because what we are expecting today has a time to a younger class, 6th secondary school. Okay. After 6th secondary school presentation, we shall have a nursery session presenting before the minister. Then we shall continue with the program. Utimo yot. Ugolo rara mbe. Miel ki yom fi miel pe ke die. Wa miel ke, ne ro ke. Kada tuere ni go achiel kendo. 6 secondary school students, please get ready with your presentation. The last presentation will be from the nursery section.
The nursery section, please.
One thing look at Madatina. For a minister, Okay, the request has been committed. Mego minister yeni wawek mege ni utugin. Mama, ujoge uru tugin. Maron lega ma minister olego. Che na chalo mego wampero maturo pero meu. Era walwen di chawa. Chaka dong. Chaka dong.
Yang boleh ke yo baga berbaka, yang boleh ke berbaka, yang boleh ke kema berbaka. Baba biar jamu yo bawa yo, yang boleh ke yo baga berbaka yo, yang boleh yo berbaka.
The song talks about the insurgency that is normally caused by the Karemotan. It is a war song. This is a war song that normally gives courage to the men when they are in for the battle. Fire matek mewa mana ye nyuto twe twin kinkinia balao te komwa leo koni karach chope kwe watumo mana ye kero magina nyuro ina ye menge me umia pachwa yiteo mi umeme luoni weme kalo yo mo matek yinno wote yako ba kijira we kero mere goto. As they are going out, we expect the nursery kids to come and present their presentation before the minister. After the nursery section, we shall now proceed to the program straight away. And we shall move with time. I can see a request here from Madam. I will give you not less than 3 minutes to present your presentation. A day with time.
Oh, we are massing, we are the youngest children. Oh, we are massing like an angel. Oh, we are we are the youngest children. Oh, we are massing like an angel. Oh, we are we are the youngest children. Oh, we are massing like an angel. Oh, we are we are the youngest children. Oh, we are massing like an angel. Oh, we
Ate yitwa wego win look malo tino tikwet wine in Martin.
Welcome, 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 Visa. We are happy. We have been waiting for the very long time. Today we are happy to see you here. You're welcome, Visa. You're welcome, welcome, Visa. We are happy. We have
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. May the Almighty God bless these young kids here abundantly. It is so marvelous.
May we all come back.
Martina, on your way, Mati, take mother.
Our nursery, they have given us a wonderful speech.
Atia legani chao watie marat.
Our time is not favoring us.
Bwana SC5 chairperson, I want to recognize your presence and lead us.
LC5.
You are most welcome. Thank you. So if you are presenting, please save time.
Please, we are very sorry for the representation. We are time back.
Okay. Penen Marach. Wati alwengi chawa. Wadani ewek lutino nikiken eotugini. Temidina ero chawa wati Marach. King look pa jomadoni the lumo dana fogin. My loni you with interlude. Winnie Penen Marach for. Okay, after this presentation, atia legoni one wing mati kani wapidi lokochen wing dano wing unen maroma.
After this presentation,
kidojo mati ngi weleme awora ni
extend the
wamilo ni joni yamo. Hey chung kitu penen mabe.
and those who are behind the message.
Kwe wori pirikeni chine ni ngoiti ati mweneni be onyurati.
Yes.
Halo kali rachiti makile ye, but that's the reality.
Presenting a poem entitled Let us rock the world, here and there, humans weeping, endless
Watie kalego jo matia gwara ni timbe kwe juga gwara ko
misery support misery.
alega lani kwe juga gwara.
We speak on behalf of our fellow monarchs. We speak on behalf of the affected kings. They believe family blood flows like water in the river. Forest of humans jump at the roadside. Why? But why? Accident on the rise. What? The genesis is clear. High speed driving, world weather conditions, and climate. Violation of traffic rules and reckless driving. Mechanical fault. The purple S to Esther, shining like a dark cloud. From secondary and continuous compound time, dancing at the top. It is so amazing. It is so amazing. Our own love is like animals at the roadside. We must produce and
Atia lego jo na gwara ni. Hey, wilo kitanani onyo lokani kwe timbe link na no.
Economic and mental impact.
Wego rak.
Oh, this
You will not present.
the brain behind the scene.
Wego rak, you will not present. That's an order from me.
Awareness. Road maintenance. Community policy on road traffic signs. No down road work, runabout ahead. No U-turn, no parking turn left ahead. School ahead, no crossing turn right ahead. Pedestrians crossings, no overtaking. Light is as slippery as fishing and ocean. Behind any successful woman, there is a successful man. Are we animals to mourn for the success? We enjoy the work of our hands. Economic growth and financial stability. The work of our hands. Mental capacitation. The work of our hands. Free environment and reduce accidents. We are able We are stable. Ability is stability. The route to success. Bye.
Thank you. Let us clap our hands.
Primary school.
Right away to the program. We welcome everyone here. Today is the 2nd August 2024. We have the program outlined here in my hand. Right away. The first.
Chungo perwata kijoma dongo. Dog me alega na neni KT inge welo me awora timber wa unu kenyo. Eno lega. Okay.
Arrival of the guest of honors is already with us here.
Welo me awora do oa kina wakan.
Then the fourth one, orientation from the responsible person and the engineer.
Me angwene wabi neno kidma ping tie kere mano engineer yeo bitela wiwa.
We'll go for national anthem and prayer.
Kingero wachwero bara me Uganda kilega machi.
Opening flag from LC1.
Won koma cholo bijolo area ne.
Organizing committee.
Won koma yup obilogo.
A teacher's piece.
Edi me school ino bilogo.
Chairman board.
Won koma board me school bilogo.
Site engineer.
La dit na kid me gere ne word kere me obilogo.
LC3 chairperson will also have a time to speak.
Won koma dek obilogo kilwak.
Councillor 5.
Area councillor beach obilogo.
District education officer.
Dio katia kinawa ene uliotama. Dit Malawi teach weng me agawa district obilogo.
LC5 chairman will also deliver a speech.
Won koma beach matia kinawa ne mene obilogo kerwa.
RDC.
Dit Malawi kuchmene obilogo katie.
Professor Ogenga Latigo.
La dit Ogenga Latigo mo chako gero ni mene katie wenye wadlu
other members of parliament around.
Then MPs weng matie gubilogo kilwak.
Chief guest.
Me ajigine wilo me awora eno bilogo kilok.
In between we shall also introduce some important business.
Ka idire eno ni wabi nyuto wele mapigi tego manoti akinawa.
Then closer.
Me ajigine waloro program. Immediately ke mira dogang nyuka mieltie paka kumata paka las.
With great honor.
Ichawa yani.
Allow us to jump to number 4, that is orientation from the responsible person.
Wachiro wana mangwen. Leo ni engineer obino nyutlwak ogot kilwak menyuto kama wango mwenye program tieni wendano nyang.
We are requesting the engineer to come, and we walked around and we see.
Wacha lego engineer maybe no work kidano and then keep maka berutika
and take a lead to show us the work which is taking place here.
Wacha lego engineer betelo yo we ko nyule dano big mo chake yo mia seat secondary school. Okay.
Yeah, so request mo ake table ne kong donke loko won commercial.
Area council. So everyone of this area, please come and welcome the people in your area of jurisdiction.
As you're coming, one way or malo said we sing national anthem and prayer.
King Eloka won't come?
No, and we first rise.
Okay. One way or malo, wawero barame Uganda, walege che eno bilogo.
Latin kwan mo bin kang butelwaye. What a chair.
Let's stand up and we sing the Ugandan anthem. Oh Uganda, oh Uganda, may God uphold thee. We lay our future in thy hands, united, free for liberty, together we will stand.
Walego.
Lubanga me monyo Israel. Uwala chimutingala mabatu babawa. Pigin mabeso baitiyo kaberi wa yagago ka obiri yomiya pachwa. Chawani mero wadwok deo bot in loba. Pijoni ba kiro gi kagogo kuchi kaberman kong mo kong ruoda. Bang me mon go gumi ko lu tira wo bini duchu. Magin gube ka go wa kuji ka beri ni ruo. We gube ki ko ma yor ki yor ko ai wor ki ta won to duchu. Fui bigila dit won to duchu. Fui beri pika beri man me ya woni ruo per wi duchu. Bang man beri ruo. Tuni kar me bang bachar man we kwan ju mi pa chwa wanong gum. We go yue aba ka roma. Kita ma duong mo romo ko wona ga yang. Ruo deu ben buri lu ba me Israel. Dong isha we doken ka choke chingi. Ruo me moy. Wa fui pe minister mamegwa. Fui pe rota roma papa. Ruo yue ki joni. Telgi we gube jo marie. Magi mi tamba be jo borwa. We go dong yin aiwo. Lu ba pe Israel lu ba me moy. Alogo man ma check kini ye mati kwere komi. Angeri bitwere jo biduchu. Kaberaman, P. Yesu Christo Ruotwa.
Amen.
Thank you. Now, Kabera, have a seat, and one come is going to take over.
One come, Jordana area Megi. Our invited guest,
the lead minister,
Minister
MP, Amon, Magago district.
who is on the other hand is the women MP of Agago district.
Site engineer on that beach, the school, Umia Pachachit Secondary School.
The site engineer of Mia Paswasit Secondary School.
1, beach.
LC5 chairperson.
Councillor, a beach.
Area Councillor 5.
1, deck.
LC3 chairperson of Mia Paswa County.
Councillor, and with you.
And all you councillors.
We get Rio.
LC2's
Board of Governor, Umia Pachachit Secondary School.
the Board of Governor of Mia Paswasit Secondary School.
Kidong Ulwak Duchu, Mabini Kwema, Moroga.
And all the community of Omia Pachua. Greetings to all of you.
And Malokinya, Kiluano Cherry John Paul.
He's called Ochiti John Paul,
T1 commercial, make a bereni.
the LC1 chairperson of the area where we are.
Kimandong, Kera, watching a Jolo down or Duchu, Magoquano Kargi, maybe not Rebecca.
At this juncture, I want to take this opportunity to welcome everybody for this wonderful occasion.
Village man Manyangai, Tin Anamia, Hoiching Lua, Momia Pachua.
This village of Anyangai today, I've rendered it to the community of Omia Pachua.
That's where Uganda Loro.
If all goes well, then it can be for the whole country, Uganda.
Yene school enemy, Utina Nyangai, Kekane Pequani, and on Latin Mo Can Uganda.
Because this school will not be meant for all the Anyangai pupils or students, but will be meant for the whole country at large.
Kanti Chingo,
This area is at your will.
Tea Keremabe,
Use it appropriately.
Doc no Benano Donkey to no Kereni.
As you return, leave it as it is.
Locame Rio,
Second speech.
Locom Kuch.
It's about security.
One over the year, Pacorma Jong Pacarma Light.
We had been traumatized by the consequence done by the Kejong.
The Tute Pagament me Uganda,
With the effort carried out by the government of Uganda,
Kelwadul Moin, Makeloni Commando,
we received a commando department amidst us,
Magentie, a village man, Mangai.
and they are present within this village.
Biro Pajana, Ominawa, Gufu, Pacorma Jong Godok Chen.
On their arrival here, gave us a go-ahead on sustainabilities of our area.
Kuberichawa ni mana Loki, Chichok Duangwen,
As I talk now,
Nuapiji,
more than 5 months now,
Macom, Par Karma Jong Mo, Kerkai Word Malakan Kagano.
there is no sight of a footmark for any Karimojong within the area around here. As we move further east,
Makai Chikai, Kiwete one Porutia Gonya Manao.
when you are here, please feel at home and we are together.
And the man Legana, what was it, minister?
This is my request to the minister.
Kormo Jong,
The Kejongs,
you are Penino.
they are resting but they don't sleep.
Kainan Gendong Ling Command, and Dong Karem again.
As they are silently, when they turn, the consequence will be bad. I also do request you and the security personnel. On my own opinion as a LC chairperson,
system no operation magamento kelo
the system of operation which is being carried out by the government is not well. When this Kejong's chance to pick a cow from this village, after a follow-up pass looking for by the soldiers, the GPS says you are already past your district, you are already in Kotido, let the animals move. Once the animal or the cattle have gone beyond the boundary, they say now nobody to follow, but we expect the soldiers to do that work.
UPDF Central Africa.
For instance, the UPDF take that operation to follow the law-resistant army from Sudan and Central Africa Republic. But now what about this simple Karamojong? In case there is a politic behind such, then we as the Acholi people, we need to understand. Time. Thirdly, somebody who has done something good should be appreciated. First, we want to thank the people who have endeavored to give us that piece of land. Secondly, we also need to thank Professor Maurice Ogengala Chigo for starting such a building. So I also want to thank the effort. He is thanking the entire government department for the effort they have made to ensure that the construction of the 6th secondary school kicks off. Finally, once the land has been given and building starts, the area where it's occupied by food crops should not be destroyed. As you see on the western side, the millet garden had been cleared off. Even maize. Wherever by this month it could have been already been harvested, but it had already been cleared off. With these few and much remarks, I beg to stop there. Thank you.
We just straight away to the Central Organizing Committee.
Won't come allow you be looking work.
Come and welcome us only just few minutes.
We may look at it deck more again.
Hallelujah.
Praise the living God. She's called Appeal Grace Omwan.
Councillor Beach, District Council.
Area Councillor 5, representing the elders in the district. Presently, she is the member of the board in this school.
Chairman, organizing committee.
Apparently, she is the chairperson organizing committee.
Constructor.
She's thanking the constructor.
Technical handover.
For their adherences, we gave them the technical handover till today. The day they were handing over technically, she was present. She had been seeing the cooperation that was amidst the constructors and the local community. That's why the work is going on. Today we are giving officially the school to be owned by the community.
Paul Jami mag gamente kelo kimio physical technical
most of the materials that is brought by the government, normally we give what is called technical handover, which the community does not see it. But today is the privilege that we are handing over officially to this community to witness the progress of construction.
Ngom any dong di title mier ke wole wa ngom kenen kita geri tika time kere ke kama dong gutiu ku oye.
After her speech, the land is already entitled, and she requests, if possible, we march around to survey and see the work in progress.
Gimana maraj daner any dog about contract there.
On negative aspect of it,
anene e health center laira.
When you look at like the health center,
my ministry may contract to the contractor.
When the ministry gave a contract there, normally the contractors they receive more than 4 contracts.
My only delaying
when you look at it, it delays the work in order for the work to be done at its time. During the technical handover, we also played before them this cry, and I see they have more than 2 contracts.
So the Walego Guinea Mirgu Yung Yoro, Wekate Tuare, he get any timely mape chilling production.
She's now requesting the contractor to speed up in order for the sum of money granted not to be taken back to the central registry. Nothing much to say. I'm pending up there.
Thank you. We are welcoming the head teacher Omia Pachwa Sit Secondary School to come and give us.
I been a lock, manok. I did lock mono. I don't want you to let you. Thank you. Time is against us.
Lokati leg mono, bipana bene leg mono chi kwankilutwa.
Eno be lock leg mono. No lock you bitana lock on a level.
Our chief guest,
Wilome Awara,
the Honorable Minister of State for Economic Monitoring in the Office of the President.
Minister Maneno Dongolowo, the Office of President.
The woman member of Parliament for Agago District.
Achung Pimon, or Mochik, me Agago District.
Honorable members present.
Members Mukena Matia Kanwe.
Professor Maurice Ugehala Tigo.
Ugehala Tigo Makia Kinawa.
The RDC Agago.
Dit Malo Lokom Kuch Agago.
The district chairperson Agago. Okay.
All right.
Ko Agago.
Adimalo, we Utichwengme Agago District.
Sub-county authorities of Omia Pachwa Sub-County.
Lodong Malo, Omia Pachwa Sub-County.
Invited guests.
Weleme Awara.
Ladies and gentlemen.
Mon Kichwa.
I welcome you all to this joyous occasion, to the people of Omia Pachwa in general and me in particular.
Amidonia Ajolu Iyome Yumchuma dit ele Omia Pachwa Machalo Luakme Omia Kika en Machala Edi.
Preamble.
Matek.
Honorable Minister,
Welome Awara.
The government of Uganda
Uganda
attaches great importance to the development of education.
Gino nenoni mirugimi ginmatek makwao ponye matele Uganda.
because it realizes that
Pien gino neno ni
education is a powerful engine to the growth and development,
kwano bedo gudu matek mamiyo donglo bedo tie.
as well as a tool to the transformation of the society.
Machalo gin mamiyo ping loke yum pore.
Madam Minister,
Adid Minister,
education plays roles in achieving moral,
kwan onyopunye tiyo tich maduong' meneno ni eloko kwa padane yum pore,
intellectuals,
ngech miwich,
ideologies,
tama,
cultural,
tekwaro,
and social development of the
kikit maban dano
society.
bedo akinagi.
At the same time, Madam Minister,
Iyo acheli Minister,
education facilitates national unity,
punye miyo bedo ikindana i national onye luoma malo
democracy,
bedo ka achel
economic progress,
dongo lobo
security of the people.
kuch padano
It also facilitates
en mene miyo
people from vast circle of poverty,
miyo meneno ni kiloko kwa padano i yo mecham
dependency,
bedo kini piriken machala ngat mangiyo ngamere tim
ignorance,
kuya ping winyo
diseases,
tuo membedo pe
and indignity,
adong bedo ki chuny achel
and also helps in building self-reliance
mano miyo kero medo kit madano miro kwa kera kinagi
with sustained national economy.
meneno ni dongolo obedo tie akinawa.
And aware that the NRM government
Ongiyo ni gamene me NRM
has a deliberate policy
machalo dul mapere
of increasing access to relevant and quality education to all Ugandans at all levels of
gino
education.
ne miro med kero me puonye i Uganda long.
At primary level, Madam Minister,
I section me primary
it has been increasing since its independence of the universal primary education in 1979.
kwan me primary tie ka mede kare ni no make ko ni kwan no tie i primary
which now stands at about 15 million pupils each year.
Dorawa ni dana onyolotino kwan tie maro million apara bich imwa mano tie i primary.
At secondary level, Honorable Minister,
I Rome senior
these opportunities are still few,
potie manok.
and the cost of education is much higher than that at the primary.
Ineno ni kit me kwan i level mamalo tie la mal ki poro ki me primary.
And this tends to exclude
Man neno ni jomukene
the children from poor families.
lutino ma ki gange machan ti bodgi.
Honorable Minister,
No pege miyogi kare mi puonj Honorable Minister.
there are cases of students who score highly in primary living examination PLE
Tie lok makwak lutino matimo penj maber I PLE
but fail to make it to secondary schools of their choices due to unfavorable school fees.
ede nuni lutino ni kero gi mechida nyimi senior bedo pe pichan makwak chene mechulo gi senior.
Honorable Minister,
Wero me aworo
it's upon this background
kando bedo neno ikomgomo wana chungi ni
that the community of Umiapachua,
ni luak me umia pachua
which is also in line with the NRM government policy,
na tie katore ki dul magamente me NRM
that every sub-county should have a secondary school.
ni sub county achel miro bed ki senior na mege.
That the community of Umiapachua sub-county collectively offered land for the establishment of the school in 2016.
Luak dano me umia pachua gino toro chingi cho miyo gini ngom imwaka libareyo ki piareyo kapara bichia.
Madam Minister, in just a minute, let me introduce to you the representatives of these two clans who donated the land which today we are sitting on.
Welo me awara pidake mapera mariyo weka nyudini jo ariyo nyudula ariyo mumiyo gini ngom ede mwana tie iyetini.
Nadiru Matthew Binkai,
Odok Matthew Committee bin chok.
and then Mose Ananu Rubo Makwan and Nyerwenya Ukeng somebody.
Mose Ukeng.
Mose Ukeng?
Committee
from that clan.
Ina ye luchungo pi kaki onyo dogo la mani magino ye me mi ngom we school kigere ye.
Madam Minister, this is the representative of the one clans who gave us this land.
Welo me awara inyimwaka ana ye dana chel no chung pilwa kaka mamegi mumiyo gini ngom ma wani tiye chawane.
Yes, in terms of areas, they gave us 99.9%.
Kaya bedo neno kitma area ni large care te lokeni omiyo percent maromo piera bungwen we abungwen.
The other one was given by another clan. which is
Mukendo ngamiyo
represented
ke
by
kaka
this.
mukene.
This is one of the clan members.
Mano mang bino ni ena ye ngada chel ubedo awang kaka momiyo ngomi school ibede.
Okay, you can see it.
Of course, rawa dok chen dong.
So the community opened the school in 2018.
Luak me omiye pachua go chaka gangkwani imwali bari kapara boro.
Honorable Minister,
Welo me awora.
Umipachwa Seed Secondary School now sits on a piece of land 12.2310 hectares.
Welo me awora omiye pachua school chani tiki ngoma lach na tie eka apara reo tone adeg.
And it also has the land title.
Ngomi menedong gamente opimoro ado tie ki kartaj manyoni ngomi no me school.
Madam Minister, you know the government, the new policy these days.
Welo me awora ilingyo chik ma gamente okele karane.
The government does not want now to put money or investment on a piece of land that has controversial issues.
Gamente peramo kedo ngom sorry pekero chiling ingom mo manungo loke pot piatum. Te loke ni loko ngom mirotumo chede kelo gedo onyo dongo lowe kabedero ni.
So for us, Omio Pachwa Seed, we are secured.
Wana chalo Omio Pachwa Seed, wana tie agonya.
Honorable Minister,
Welo me awora.
it's really a joyous occasion to me in particular and the community of Omio Pachwa Sub-County in general.
Obedo me yung chunma dit mada got en kilwak me Omio Pachwa tin eni.
Because the dream,
Pien lek
which had become a myth,
lek mano obedo gin ma nena karamalach
has today become a reality.
tin obedo gin ateri nyimwak.
Madam Minister,
Welo me awora.
there is a statement
Lok mo ni tie kiti.
that
Ni
when you dream alone,
kaya leko keni
the dream remains a dream.
lek dong machalo lek.
But when you dream in groups,
Kaya leko idul
the dream becomes a reality.
lek bedo gin matime ada.
A person had a dream for this school,
Dana mo nungo obedo ki lek pi skuli.
but shared the dreams with very many stakeholders.
Cho nywa leke ni ki me skuli ki lotela ma pat.
The different stakeholders that I'm going to mention,
Lotela ma pat ma ena bi wachi chawane.
which eventually led to the reality which we are today seeing.
Me ajigine omiyo gin mano wan pera mo ne time tin wati aneno ne.
When I say I'm greatly happy, in particular, Madam Minister,
Kaya ne ko ni en machalo en chunye tin yo me ajiki nyo mateka dada.
I sit in the circle of those one who have been dreaming together.
Ene bede idul owala pa jo anongo tie ka lek ka achiel.
And I feel honored when a dream has today become a reality when I still see it.
Ebedo ki yue kairo ne ka lek gini tin obichobe kakare.
Even if I leave being the head teacher for Omio Pachwa Seed Secondary School, Madam Minister, tomorrow,
Kena weko bedo machala me umia diki
my dream has become a reality.
leka obedo gin matia ti. Pe udongo chingu chunye me pe yom.
Honorable Minister,
Welo me awora.
the school site was surveyed in 2016.
Kabedo ni me gangkwani eneno imwagali bario kipiero kapara bichia.
When the DO was Amon Charles Ben.
E karema adit malo punye eluoni amone Charles Ben.
Since then,
Anake kareno ni
the community of Omio Pachwa have been waiting for this project.
dulwak me umia gubedo me koro karema gedo bichake umia.
So, Madam Minister, when I say the people of Omio Pachwa are generally happy to the government,
Welo me awora kana kobo ni luak me umia tin igi yom madit mada ipi ngo magamento timo.
we are greatly impressed
Wan wati ki yom chuny madit mada.
and we give appreciation
Wamiyo poch
to the head of state
got adit lobo.
for all the efforts that he has made
Pi gupu kikero ma eno miyo.
to run the country
Mene ni lobo machalo Uganda tie ka warajim.
economically,
Yo me dango lobo.
socially,
Yo me tore kache.
politically,
Yo mane ni tela tie ma wot mabe.
and many others.
Kimuka ena madung ata.
And we wish him the best still.
Wamiyo eni obed mabe e kareme nyim onyogum mabe.
Madam Minister,
Welo me awara.
I said I have very many stakeholders to appreciate.
Akoni ati kilu tela maduong amira mi poj board.
I now want to highlight few areas there.
Chalani amido mio talam tarmo manok area iruni.
Honorable Minister,
Welo me awara.
as I said,
Kinma wajo kede.
somebody had a dream
Narumo bedo kilek.
and shared it with many others.
Chonyo kiluak
The
maduong.
dream became a reality today.
Kilek lekeni obedo gin matia ti man 19 ene.
On behalf of the students,
Nachalo en chung pilu tinokwan.
staff and the general management of the school,
Lufonye kilu tela gangkwan weng.
I want to appreciate you
Amido poyo yin.
and your counterpart
Kido la wori.
for your leadership roles,
Ki pibe tela ma ini nyuro.
which eventually led to the contract work to kickstart.
Momiyo ni gero school me umia sid ochake yomu pore.
Dong chimu kong anketia na kayano ko dong chimu.
Eyo, ojili ka tiyo be.
Madam Minister,
Welo me aworo.
awacho man mawie. So,
No problem, you can go ahead, sir.
I'm greatly impressed, madam. That is why sometimes you can see me losing direction.
Ineno yom chun ka tiyo ba? We ano wado miri nya lep.
I appreciate you, Madam Minister.
En tiyo ka poyo Honorable Minister Matia
You
Kina.
remember when you met the people of Umia Pachwa in Layeta?
We po e karamagono ena ruate kiluak me umia pachua elaita.
You made this statement
Ikwa the lucky.
that the community of Umia Pachwa should give you just 1 week to follow up the program.
Ni luak me umia pachua miro timbero mi en chabita chelke me luwo ko lok enni.
Immediately,
Kangie chuchoti.
I went to the district.
Achiri district.
I received a similar statement.
Inuongo lok marate kimana minister okoboni.
It came from the ministry, from the office of the chairman, although he was not there physically, but the deputy told me exactly what you told the people in Umia Pachwa.
Loki oaki I office pa won koma beach. Keno en won komo pe. Ento ngat na lobo kore. Ena ye otite kilok. Marama kimana minister olego bodi umia.
Madam Minister,
Honorable Minister.
as stated above,
Kupokeda malo ni.
this school started operating,
Akare mwangali bari akapara boro.
although its operation was punctuated with many challenges.
Kere no ni chako kwani obedo kipego maduong.
Let me highlight some few.
Gawat pego manok ngok matie.
Its operation was stopped by the district for failing to follow the right procedures.
Chako kwame jugo district jugo pien teke lobo yo mu pore kima district mito kere.
Madam Minister, when we started the school,
Wela me awora karawana chako kwam.
as a professional teacher,
No chala phone mo kwana mangio pin.
I was not part of the system slightly,
Eno pebe de kin jama no ti en manok.
and the group missed my technical advice.
Ento dule no ne go bedo ni oruinyo kero mano mire enemy tamano pore botjo enuni.
It coincided with the letter from the ministry.
Chi lokeno ni obino onywena ruate o ki waraga moha ki office mamalo.
Another problem was COVID-19 pandemic
Pero me ario bedo corona. Me mwagali bario kapara bungwe.
and financial challenges.
Kidong pero me chente.
Madam Minister, I want to thank Professor Gayala Tigo
Wela me awara ngira po Gayala Tigo Morris.
for his patriotic and visionary leadership
Pineno na dit matek machalo ngat mangio ping.
by championing the construction of the school, as we can see down here.
Meneno ni gedo ochake school kan kid mo ano tiane no kede chawani.
Honorable Minister,
Wela me awara.
I want to thank the office of the COW,
Amiro ni apo office pa adit malo nutich yagago.
office of the chairperson LC5 Agago,
Office pa Wankoma Beach.
DEO,
DDO.
Engineering Department of Agago District Local Government,
Jo manani gedo tieni ning Yagago district.
especially in acquiring the land title for the school.
Mapire tegmene ni ngome skuli inwongo title le.
Without the support of all these offices,
Kano jone peo toro chinka
we
achel.
wouldn't have got the land title. Madam
No one
Minister.
pero bedo kinena ni land title wanwongo.
Secondly, I want to thank the past and the current authorities of Umia Pachwa Sub-County for being very supportive to the school.
Ne jigine ena mido poyo. Lutela me umia pachua mati chawani. Pi nena ni gitoro chingi ka chel ni ngoma ebe no time umia pachuani otine kakare.
Upon which we have been able to come this far in maintaining the school.
Kino neno kene gine mabo mene ni school ebo waichawani.
Last but not least,
Me jikine dong.
I thank the management of Shodong Primary School
Mida polo tela me Shodong Primary School
for hosting us
me miyawa bedu kunu
for all these years.
Pikare me mwakani malachi mawana bedu Shodong.
I now appeal to them
Da lego gin machalo ni
and then the sub-county authority
kido dul mahaki sub-county
that they keep us there for some times as we wait for the completion of the project.
Ni gin koro gini kunu ni ka project kunyo ka gangkwani kigero tum.
Madam Minister, Madam Minister, challenges.
Pero
we have few learners.
Wati kilote na kwan manok.
2. Negative attitudes from the community toward paying fees and then education in general.
Nino na rach maa keyboard dano na neno ni miro pay kichul gangkwan.
3.
The
unrest.
Pardon?
The unrest problems.
Oh, pero matie
caused by cattle rustlers.
Mao bino keyboard ke jong de karamo jong olok
in the area.
Ikabere mo tieni
disrupts learning.
Ubalo kwan matek mada.
4.
Me
political interference.
Log ma keyboard utela me wibiye ma pat.
I said political interference.
Logma ma papa kibodo tela.
For example,
me
and the board members
and ki dul board me umia si
we prepared the documents to our great son General Muozi.
Me mi bot la tin man me wamadid Muozi
when he came to our school last year at one. Unfortunately, the document did not reach him. It got mixed up among some politicians who have negative attitude towards the school. Be part of it. Madam Minister, together with the board members and PTA, we introduced timely household contribution of 2,000 shillings. To maintain the school. But also the program was interfered with. My recommendation. Unfortunately, part of it to the members have been removed. But down there, I'm requesting on behalf of the school that the sub-county authority reintroduce the support to school by bringing down back the household contribution of 2,000 shillings only timely to support the smooth running of the school.
Sub-county ukelo yoni ota chela mirora chen eliparerio wek omed kero me wota nyim pa school umia seed secondary school.
Another recommendation which has been left out by the computer man.
Nenone na we ngad manongo dio computer weko
that you follow up with the ministry.
Nimiro elop ki ministry ka chen
so that the school recruitment be best.
Wek cho no teach me school obetie.
Those are some of the few recommendations, although they have been left out, but I can still remember. To the contractor last week, my recommendation to the contractor,
both Lugero,
contract time frame to be adhered to. At the time of technical handover, Madam Minister,
office. We
have been clearly informed that this project is supposed to be for 18 months. When it will now be 3 years, 5 years like Lapanosid, it is upon you and other authorities to follow up.
Kado bero mwaga beach adek nachala lapono namudo tie wi nachala gedo.
Another recommendation.
Neno ne onyumire na mira gitim.
Madam Minister, there is mutual understanding between all the stakeholders and then the contraction.
Neno mokayano ni niang motie matia bero marach. Maber ikin ngo lotela me sub county kidong contractor anyolugere ma yagi tichi.
It's therefore my appeal that mutual understanding and coordination now established between the contractor should continue.
And then niang maber nyawat maber matie kin lotela ki lugere ni miro meda wuranyim.
And then the management together with the stakeholders.
Kidong jomalo gangkwan kachel ki lotela mapadi.
Next, the spirit of producing quality work to be exhibited. Lastly, some percentage of the youths from within that can withstand the contract terms and conditions be given the opportunity. Site meeting schedules should be followed.
Meeting Mike and
then the spirit of transparency be observed.
Kidong adari onyodane mirnen kilobo itichi mabe.
Thank you.
For your mate.
I say all these for God and my country.
Kwado eni ti bana kilobo na.
I thank you all.
For your way.
Thank you. The chairman board come and give a speech. Then we are going to welcome the site engineer who will take us.
One comment you copy mono and menonova. Check again. Come here, William, and check again. Rioti Maraj. So we have the chairperson board of governor who is to come and present his Eleni, kaching take a yellow gay.
Time ko mira actual pojama di tutual bojo magi
is sending his thanks to the following people.
First
and foremost, he is thanking the guest of honor for tonight's function. He is also conveying his thanks to all the MPs if they are within HASI. The chairperson 5, Agawa District, he also thanks him. He's also conveying his thanks to the contractors. And the general community, I thank you and I welcome you for this occasion. It's called Justin Kabokelo, senior citizen. The chairperson board of governor, Omiasi Secondary School. I will not be lengthy. As we have heard more from the A teacher, sub-county, we had a gathering with the sub-county official to ensure that we have the seed secondary school in Omia Pachua. This started earlier on in 2017. 2018, the school started. The school started rightfully in 2019. I want to say that those who endeavor to start the school as the 8 teachers are below here. The first editor was called Toraj Walter Omoya. the late apparently.
Mario Madam Umoya Kwana Rueno, teacher Malone, a teach Lamek, Ubiricom.
After the death of Omoya, we had somebody called Akik Lamek became the head teacher.
Kama Akis Lamek Domoshiro.
After Akich,
board member go Beroping, a child PTA, Chico Kerogen, Ecom, and you are John Kennedy, Manotia DPT, Paki, maybe Machalo a teacher.
The board and the PTA executive sat down and have lifted Kennedy to be the head teacher of the school after the head teacher left.
No, Akoperi, and I don't Kennedy, take a running school, Machalo a teacher.
As I talk right now, Kennedy is the one running the administrative part of the school.
And at Abeni, Miro Afo Board of Governors, PTA executive, PT Matek, Nagotimo.
I also want to convey my thanks to the Board of Governors and the PTA for the tedious work that they have done. For now, we have seen how the school looks like. I also want to convey my thanks to the general community of Umia Pachua for the supportive effort that they have done to ensure that we start the school. First, I want to thank the people of Laita Parish for their fundraising, and thereafter they bought the burnt bricks. Because of that distance, they can't move from the all way Laita to come and make bricks here. Second thanks goes to the community of Lakwa Parish for the tedious work that they came and laid the bricks here themselves.
Community Legim Parish.
My third thanks goes to the community of Legim Parish. They are the host. For the effort that they have made to ensure that they have bricks at hand. As you look at the construction started by Professor Genga, that was a great contribution from Laita, Lojim, and Lakwa Parish. Lomoy Parish was granted opportunity to bring the timbers. On the negative aspect of it, they failed even to bring a single timber. That is a very big debt to the people of Lomoy Parish.
Atawani Logmario made actual appointment did Professor Latigo.
My second thanks goes to Professor Maurice Latigo.
Rebecca Chair Key Community me la Kwa, Regime, Laida, Omiotin, Iparo, Lubumagani, or the Heart.
For the heart of togetherness with Lojim, Lakwa, and Laita to ensure that erection of this block stands as we see it.
Mamero, man, I was long live Mr. Oganatigo.
Oganamiro, Picare Malach.
Long live upon Canto Apollo, will compete here.
Okot Sadla Polo Miro Picare Malach.
Long live and my John Kennedy, a teacher.
Kennedy Miracle Pimwaki Malach.
Last but not least,
Mayor Jigine and where Mayor Jiggy.
Long live Mujio Justin Club.
Miracle Power the board will come the board of Governor Okello Justin Cow, my Loki.
A town near where me and a tomato.
I will be brief as Kenny the boy's mother.
Wan wabere makipeke mapoto twal uno walangini kakantini pedagogang Salaman.
We went through various problems to see that this area could have not been like this.
Chi katindo aneroni
As I see like this today, the species or varieties of vehicle that have never seen today is arriving here. Likewise to the aggregates, that is just have some sprinkling he has never seen today is here.
Don't at last we are achieve our goal.
Manuroni me jigine one no gina no one tell lego pere.
Last but not least,
Me jigine.
man kirobor contractors kikuruma meye.
This goes to the contractor and his team.
Contractor ananaroni kin matera dong teach omiro chakeme mabe.
Contractor, as I see, the work is now to kick off.
Anaroni omiro wan wabe pin kinyun ni ramamiro kichokilo teach.
We as the board, I'm requesting that you give us time, we sit down together with you so that we recruit or we settle a day to ensure that we recruit the workers.
Piana neno ini biri kuti mokene enta ngini lu teach mokene mere polo mere akaka ye ben chiringi kero kai.
Because I'm seeing you are bringing workers from outside and yet the amount of money is supposed to remain in this land. Therefore, we need to recruit workers from the land so that they benefit from the money that the government has sent to their ground.
Okay, Doloti mama walo kawa yumo ni anacho meki chargi kimana nyake eni magi.
The categories of workers that we should recruit are
Nachel Logero magi chwe yon macho.
the first group are the Martians.
Carpentry ari journey.
The second group, Joe Magedo, Kikuo Bao.
Pakacha Werja Helpers.
The helpers or the porters.
Lepa pe ma yenba. Pionie ma pieni idio pao pakacha robo yore pakachawa pakachawa pakachawa.
That is the hand skill laborers. That's what it's talking of. Those who have the ability and the what? The energetic guys that they can work. That's what it's talking of. Today is not my day, but the day is meant for the minister. I'm now requesting both the Board of Governors and the PT Executive to come in front here for recognitions.
Yes.
Joe Matia Birne Committee, PT Board of Governors.
Very good.
Self-introduction.
An Kelua Ochen Paul.
Ochen Paul.
Treasurer me PTA.
Treasurer to the PTA executives. His name is Joseph Okelo. Member to the board. Thanks. Nora Chan is the name.
PTA member.
PTA member. Thanks to the general community. It's called Okot Santo Lapolo. Chairperson PTA.
Fire Total. Anjia Kilono La John Bosco Chama Chama.
It's called La John Bosco Chama Chama.
Board member, representative of Med District of Fire.
Is the representative of the district.
Minister
is thanking the minister
and
the general community. Is called Haswa Head Bodo Dixon.
A PTA member.
Is a member to the PTA. Is thanking the general congregation. Luane Odora Methiodok.
He's called Odora Methiodok.
I tell you what man, Miss School in Apoya.
He's the current day watchman to the school. I'll introduce myself before that. She's called Apio Grace Omon. Vice to the board.
Vice PTA. Okay, Boniface. Thank you.
Anyone, I'll call one come PTA Okelo Boniface. Praise the living God. She's called Madam Margaret Lala, representative of the teacher or teachers.
John Kennedy.
The name is Kennedy Anua.
Technical advisor to the board and PTA.
Technical advisor to the board and the PTA at the same time, the secretary. Good.
Majikine man, Mujia Okelo Justin Cup, Chile citizen, one come board of governors.
Winding up is Okelo Justin Cobb, the chairperson board of governor Omia Seed Secondary School. After your entertainment, go and we shall meet after some times again. Thanks.
Yes.
Hello, Belloc, for one come aboard.
We are welcoming the side engineer to come and do his part.
What take along at my only get to a bear, or be me lock.
Thank you, Masters of Ceremony. Honorable Chief Guest. Protocol observed, ladies and gentlemen. Good afternoon. Honorable, what I'm used to do is shouting at people on site.
Well, what Gilma and Katimo and I bit of war. What your mate teach.
And shouting at drivers to have work done.
Kido war bottle water away to water carry.
So when they ask me to speak, I shake.
Kaya penani loki.
That is why I asked these people to come around me. When I shake, they punch me.
Anyway, I'm going
to address three aspects. One, I will want to elucidate the fears, do away with the fears that have been expressed. Nipe Construction is not a new company in the industry.
Gin machala niba construction. Gin pe bere jo manyen ilowo eni.
So when we choose to do work,
kagine yera metimo tich,
we do our best
gini tiyo kikero gi
to provide standard.
Mene ni etimo gin magin na bed na dano poyo.
And what I promise to offer here
is
that we shall offer a school that will attract learners from everywhere because of the quality that will be here. The other fear was that we have brought workers from elsewhere to come and do work here. We have not brought workers to disadvantage the area natives. But as you see, the project is not a simple project. Where we want 20 Masons, we have brought 10 so that we can take up 10.
So application.
But where we need standard, You can't try so much. That is why we bring some of ours that have proved themselves very excellent at what they do. So that they can work with the people here, teach them well, to enable us make good work. And I promise that those that will have learned very well, we shall take them away to other parts of the country. Because we have been a bit advantaged that we get some projects to work on. Through you, Honorable Minister, I would like to thank the community head. They have always given us a comfortable landing. And we look forward to working with them to get those energetic, hand-skilled technocrats that we will need, like the board chairman has said. And because of our experience in the industry, I also promise that no money will go back to the ministry. Because people trusted us with this work to do it, and it's our obligation to do what is expected of us. Honorable, we have also already observed some challenges. One of the challenges is the water source availability. I would request that we work together with the community heads to have this solved. The other challenge is electricity. We had wished that we do anything that requires electricity from where the project is running. But we have been forced to do some work away from the project because electricity has not come up to here, and we are not in position to bring it out only by ourselves. So where we can have some support, we highly appreciate it through you.
Gin machalo contractor, gin no emido ni match miro betie kama gene biti yani. Ento marache dawe diyo gini match obijigo okuja kama gene tiago marafale yani. No omidi gino neni match miro betkan. Chemena lego ni kawatiyo ka achel che match miro oka wek tich ugot mabe.
Still, as regards the electricity,
na fokwa loko match,
when we choose to work, Honorable Minister, I work day and night. So we cannot work in the night without lighting. So we request that if the electricity issue is handled, we shall be very grateful. But it will not be an encumbrance or something to stop us from finishing the project on time. Che gibero matek kijum chwin ento temiro jugine ni teach ochobe e karama chini yani ochobe ya kare. Lastly, Mayor Jikine, there was a speaker who said that when the neighbors of the area are not seen, it doesn't mean they have gone to sleep. We we also join the others into getting scared that when they wake up, they can affect the progress of our work. That's why I would request through your office, Madam Minister, if it's possible to give us some commandos to sit on the project. We shall appreciate to have them so that we can have the project completed, because that is why we are here. Allow me, Honorable Minister, to stop here. Like I said, I'm already shaking, but my name is Simogere Katende. Whenever I'm here, I feel at home because of the hospitality of the people around. I'll give an opportunity to my colleagues to introduce one by one and what they are doing at the site, so that the community can see them and know who to talk to when need arises.
Thank you very much. Salongo stand chiza kasi kalibala.
Everyone is Salongo. Salongo tell look ne ngata nyolo Rudy. Ngalo biro Salongo.
Site engineer.
Biro ngat manani teach bi war maber.
You're welcome all.
Jolo weng.
I'm engineer Amanya Afa.
Biro la engineer Amanya Mata.
Site engineer.
Maneno ni teacher would maber kiteng.
I would like to affirm to the community. We are so much interested in having you here all. So long as you can afford the work. And we feel like having the community benefiting from this project. At least 70 to 80%. Thank you so much.
Honorable Minister, it's in our requirement that for any person doing a job similar to anybody who was brought from outside, we pay them the same without discrimination.
And more minister ne gin kai kelo dano ti jona wa mi ri chungi maroma pe mi ri pokni joma agi chingi da chul mabe na lo joma pa kan gin ma ka dana maromwen ichul.
Thank you very much.
And for your take
Engineer Sendaula Nelson.
Loni Sendaula Nelson.
Site engineer.
Ngat maneni gerati award mabe.
Welcome all.
Jolo weng.
My name is Naruga Rehma.
Loni Narugawa Hema.
Site manager.
Ye ngat maneni teacher award mabe.
So, Honorable Minister, we are also gender sensitive.
Okay. Walani wilama awara. To
allow the protocol continue, please allow us to end our speech here.
You're welcome. Thank you for the speech you made. You know,
I don't think I will for John attack. Wabichero kalongo wonkom, king wonkom, kalongo cancel a bit, king a cancel a bit, waberik dio, ikao, LC5 chairman Bilogo RDC then obedo ki interlude Major Minister. Ento mapia mano time walego luchu mo ken mati member of parliament mati around kuwe kwa ngeo pien ko benyute mapia member of parliament lo. Chairman.
Bwana Haradisi, for Acholi Kilwa, for your bino.
Omia Batwa oye! Utie? Enare moye! Uduo gamme nga, uduo kenyo gama be. Enare moye! Minister Business Akori oye! Minister Business Akori oye! Kwano mapelo moja nidone. Para mo doklen na ndio na wale. Waje mabego. Yeah. LC5 ane oye. Opira James oye. Oye ba. Ole ani ataro ko mo wa kitini twin. Oyo. Tini ara mayom twin ke kan. Oye atiki lo angwen.
About me, I have about 4 areas of concern. If translation couldn't have been him, I could have used only 4 minutes to complete my speech, but right.
May I tell?
First.
Karika palo protocol, Minister Kibjo Mukene Weng, Kidana Weng Matire, Anafo, Dana Weng, the Mogo Pien, Chawa, the Paramokwana, Dana Kachere, Afo to 12.
Protocol observed, ladies and gentlemen.
I'm going to try to forge my D to 12.
Thanks goes to
Both Ladid Lobo, President of Uganda.
To His Excellency the President of the Republic of Uganda.
Menenoni, the government, Mamege, Ukatiki Polish, Menenoni, the sub-county Kachera Chel, Uberuki Secondary School, number 4 to 12, don't think before Ladid Lobo.
To ensure that all the sub-counties should have secondary schools in their various sub-counties.
Number 4 to 12, Honorable Minister Beatrice Akori,
I also want to convey my thanks to Honorable Minister Akori for the hard work that she has been doing.
Menenoni ilubo ko contractor magum gamo contract ino biru chakoti tar neki koma.
To ensure that you all have the contractors who have been bidded to start the work.
Mera 12 board ladit upio leo na job LC5 Magago district.
I also want to convey my thanks to the chairperson of LC5 Magago district, Leonardo Pio Jok.
One come mera 12.
I want to thank you so much, the LC5 chairman.
Teach my tech me tika tiune man po beru project me achel ke keni yumia pachwa me tika timane e karane tutwale imwara eni mawano doje tena wani kedunia mera 12.
For the great effort that you are doing, this is not the first of the kind of the contract or the work that you have done in Omia Pachua.
Angeo ni project me pi oberu teach ma megi won come a beach kachel ki lumeme parliament mukube amera 12.
I also know that the construction of water is also out of your effort and in conjunction to the ministry to allow that we have the tap water in Omia Pachua sub-county.
Amera 12 ledit honorable Pio Leno na joke. Yele matek mene ni kare duchu mano wati kare me pego lo kom kormo jong no initi kan ka tiel kedwa. Amera foi. Amera fo bene ladit won koma beach mene ni kikero kare ka no chene pe me yabo yo me kan me chero tung side ma dok tung ping kare ka bedi tije foti o tung piero don keto kalva kingo gani amera foi to 12 won koma beach ladit RDC tin gimo we dano gore kan ene lok mamegi imia teach no mi ora luom dano tieni biru kan ni no make biru kan ding over side no dano mo gore ko mano kom go beru pe yipo beru yom o wega tita imia tas machalo won koma deg ni o mi ora rwe dano we dano go bin che rwe dano da didara ni si amera foi to 12 o wega dano tino gore kan endo dong bere karma wano na jit kone pia mata ke kwene to wai no minister ko wache minister oye wange miero na ruya kari na nau yemi tima kome ba owuje wai ya amira fo to twal joma ko mi ngomo no na mi kai kilo mera fo na dit David, former one commandant, me umia pa sub county, mo be magali wa 2011, 2016. Ena yo yele matek me no ni ene lo community we help me ngom ene ni. Mera fo twal former one commandant me umia pa chwa. Amira twal fo ma dit twal bot one commandant ma chon utim ray ti kan bene. Ene yo we school chake, kwana chake. Edika amara dano neni. Okarma no, unoti kai. Uko jile me foye de kong bene. Yes. School. Kidong. Umere chwal foye bodu won kong adek mati kong men logo ko tiji naka school ugede. Chwal foye. O jile me beru ya yu pe yomje. Afoyo. Amera twal foj ma dit twal bol la dit lumoru. Mami wa school wa chako school ki shodo ki gang mamege kageru mamege nge omia pa primary school. Mera twal foj the board community chodong parent school. Meye school mede ki kwan lutieno kwan mede ki kwan kuno we chawani amera fo twal community me chodong Amero bera fo Edit professor ke hawla tigo. Eja joke de gunyi la korelo. Daro go tiyo mabe amero ke fo ya. Mero wa fo professor ke hawla tigo me yele matek me gedo atene. Ene yo atene ma waneno ni manje weng store akona nga giti kuno. Mero fo to twal. Ene wale ni kaen potpe wachi jolo moye ko ngad bawo ci dano potpe ngad bawo ci o jogo tij pa jolo moye menu la dit professor yo wajo ci we o dano foti akoro neni kaen yana mage guru at professor mero guru ade ni ci dong ki chero wi garo gili no ki district official baro chero wi ko bawo kelo ka beru mot ko mutene Penching ma wale ni project mo ken ke mero timeria whether project pa sub county pa district pa ministry ti kwaje no mero ke goro lwa kitene ni we kitit ki lwa we project eno ni community unen machalo megi kete lok ma we wana guru kan we unen umia pa chosit machalo megu minister ko time bodo ministry of water magetika timo yobo pita peke guru kiteni ni obedo mistake wego jemo kene ti berga joko ti ko berga time jemo kene berga time maduong so manene ni eno ye obedo ngoma tieno message about community tiari ok ken ene ye machel gang kwan kaki yabo che un pocho lotina senior no roma pot peke yabo gang kwan lega na tibo tuni inge mwaka bich unyinge mwaka pa Latin moke ken manodong tiki mwaka para boro no miero ka do kwana manok no senior fo kake giru gangkwan kan che un pokelo lotine gangkwan no gedu schoolingo konye pe kumeno go Latin kari go no konye wek loke first grade Latin kari go no second grade third grade keli gangkwan no karo uti ki long ni ala tin wapu no first grade chao kene neno ki kinwana tikanye yo no first grade mogo pewa dek so first grade ene pe kar pe uye Latin ko rin ki lela ubi kan ko kwan ko dok gang Latin digi ma biru ki je mabe ya jim kidong mese sama gi kubot community ena yeni lok me ti pi tap wana no lok me ko oberu ti ma tek to twan kan naga de wuru winyo ndiki tika lego mon me keto ne kan kono mistake mo kutimi ibini biru ka kwala material ko cement kono ngo mati kan idok matiro to Pieni mongi di kero kany, me gwako kany, wan pomiru, timate ta moge ken me binu ka yelo dan makany. Kacher ka gikune, me set up board contractor. Dalil ko ba? Ilingor. Okay, board contractor no.
Lastly, my message to the contractors.
Contractor contract mio
the contract is stipulated for 18 months.
Wabiru kaneno
18 months.
Yes. Wabiru kanene project mukene tutwale boto yumia pachwa kany.
We have been seeing in other projects within Omiapachua sub-county here.
Ila Center 3.
Within Laita Center 3.
The Karamaka Mio project Kigero na Kano to the extent Mano ITV.
The contract was awarded, but during the construction it exceeded the time frame until the IGG was involved in the project.
So
I also now requested that the time frame for the work should be done in time.
Teach one poverty technical and machalo one commodate bini monitoring mixing.
I, as a chairperson, I'm not more technical, but normally I come from monitoring.
But I'm only chamokene uromo timogimagalo shadow work. Manu cement peke mixing my bed, you may peke to my bed, but you want a bit no hoping.
But sometimes I think that maybe you do some bit of incomparative work that you mix low quality of cement with sand, and yet in 5 years the block may collapse down.
Walego contractor mecholo materials magekele site kind. In time.
I also request that the contractor make payments for various materials that is normally being brought inside, like sand and aggregates, in time.
Not
to bring tension between you, the contractor, and the supplier.
At least 60% Pierre Bichel obey Luti Magia Kiyo Mia Pachuakan El Paz Kachelki Yomagi Tifuni.
60% of your workers should be the net.
Camera wechi in matika temara to twa long me pita ma yini bino the monitoring chero wa site lubu site gini weng won kom directive ma yini mio pole contractor meta water ne po lubu uchero tingu dano ki Kampala pong lorry ka bino ka ye ka kunyo just kunyo ping ma this local community ramoti maneni.
To my chairperson, LC5, during the water construction, the contractor went and ferried his native or citizen from various places and came and carried out the work of making the trains where the pipes are supposed to be laid, instead of recruiting the people of Mia Pachua South. When I get in touch with him, in conjunction to the meter payment, then he said that from here, the member says that they should pay them 4,000, 2,000. That's why he has brought people from his area.
So contractor, watiki lotina wakan, rakiti.
So the contractor, we have our sons and daughters here. Please give them work. I request for cooperation and unity amidst us.
Contractor.
Lastly, to the constructor.
And a coordination.
We should need to ensure that coordination should be amidst us.
Therefore, I did make contractor material locum tap water from time to time. No coordination. District sub-county official.
I want us to convey my thanks to the manager or the contractor involved or who deals with water for their active cooperation and implementation between themselves.
Agike.
Lastly,
God district.
To the district.
Walego Achel office pakao.
We request
testing total office by district engineer. May work can from time to time. Like Aaron kida no teaching work kere one machala local community. Kaka wanyo kuyo kitani mana nena mechal kuyo be madam tao kena ka no pebe.
I also request the office of the chairman, in conjunction to the head of civil servant the cow, to ensure that sends in the district engineer to come and keep on monitoring
on the progress of the construction that is ongoing here.
One come be
Chairperson.
Team Malo electricity ma unu chwala ki district ma go na chim gino bot wakany. So gino chero timo survey gino timo survey kan pien pol dum chok kan go chero timo ila set 3 gino go chero ki go wali Bima primary school. Wale go ni gino mi go extending go chitwa isenda lomoy primary school la mionen primary school. So alego mego minister me rokowa yone me electricity ni meti to yoro wekti go marafale ko timege site wekti yungo woro yoro kidong chale yumia patwa health center 3.
To the chairperson SFI, the team from the Ministry of Electricity reached their office and they made their survey, and therefore now is requesting the minister to ensure that follow-up should be made so that the lighting system should be extended to the Seed Secondary School here to ensure proper work to begin.
Honorable Minister, Walego Kone Nibeno Titi Walo Komacholi Warded Clement, because now Yomokene Kaichere District or DVO, Nuruni Chenta Donyo, Erkachero Ibang, Noki Chenepe. So Walego Beneni, Ikonyiwa, both Lutuene Lokomacholi Warded Clement.
Our guest of honor of the night, we also request you to give clarity in conjunction to Acholi warded claimers. When you go to the DVO office, indicates that payment has been made. But when you come to the bank tells negative in the account. So you need to clarify the community.
Alur, the did mayor, Tikin Wakan, maybe we're all newte, botu. Kidong we come a deck, Mokane Magia, Chenga, Kino Newte. Chidong Adara Bedo. That's introduction.
Is requesting his counterpart to come for introduction.
Omia Pachwa watie Maloke duni ye mukasa won koma dek mila murutan council ka bene won kompa pat me na ramia garotisu ka joma dawo tie lutino mi rupulo block mapola foi mata
Afoyo to 12 uno ana miro mi interlude botu ngi an bene pa la matata ana tila we ma wer wani bosni ayabo crew na te part loni part of Africa yugo we mo kene manomera yom ki dano lo comme domestic violence eno donc pichawa uye we na jol cancel bicho obin o proceeding with no program won't come it yes because of time that it won't come. What advice, guys? What advice? Yes, vice versa. Why Rama Paramodon?
Councillor Beach. Councillor Beach.
Oh, me and Rama Tin Chodin, a fire.
Umia Pachoye, Chodomoye, Nojimoye, Nakwaoye, Namionoye, Namigaoye, Nairaoye, Wanduoye. Damn you, hold on. I will want water. I did minister. Malabu Kotik Pagamente, I did RDC, and of course, one come beach. Ministers, District can one come a deck, cancel, Animal Ruba. Chick Piene, will go tell you, Tore. You may know that did Mary Bob. Then, Morto Mia, in your country, American, where down communication that made that point. Ketoko, at that one gang around which we open, there.
Ilago tino matini, mira kwa nkara me wara, welo wama mukma wara, mego minister, office pa won kwa mbiki executive mambegi, la did RDC, la did mon, kilo teacher dojo UPDF, won commandek, constructors, kitim dojo, megi na kibabi na foye uba, foye binu matek, ko dong chingu me fono wele ni dojo. Udong chingu winye wakany. Ogo kikare. So luak duju matino gore kan an pati welo botu an nya kilwono lo John Bosco chama kita juini ati councilor beach mameko machunkedwe district. Honorable Minister, kai winyo ching me luongoni dongoni. Obero forge majo mia pachwa bi fuoni kere magetia fuoni pitij metio maber. Ching Mario o office pa won ko bi jol chingi pitij metio maber pikero ni. Adeg office pa RDC DC mira fo yelewu pimaru me kere jo mia pachwa. So jo mia pachwa koni ka nyuru district councilor ujolo project ujolo giruni ujolo mierwati kere maber winyo yet ni jo mia pachwa pukwano ni do watiki skuli manini maber wachwalo tiro wakwene igankwan dadi district achiel ki won kwa beach omia pachwa subcounty nyolwak mo omia pachwa pole kwan ma wachulo kifu. Honorable Minister ka achiel ki team ki RDC ki won kwa beach fur momot pingano wajo mia pachwa ko pi diangi mati kam diango totu mwara RDC ka kony mono tiem ro konyowa wek wachulo tino gang kwar ka che twere kiru kwekweni mungweni we kudwe mutie dong wek diango dok kwene na cha che twe diang ne gang wek diango ko pier kala boyman kwan pi bichule ange momot bichwale ka reporte ki ngio mado beber cheke kede ti we ngo lwa gogok lem ge matieni oye jo madongo ti kan maloya akwan kan me jolo district councilor lo wora mo bini omia pachwa obino mod jo omia pachwa aneno karan malolo kum gero kitich wek district vice chairperson agago kum gibeti kan karibu jolo ona bola foyo odio mia
Anye Odong Richard Stanley ati councilor beach mi wall dung chokwa ke pajule tewa kila tanya kuja district council ati karan mana lokum gero tuchuyo pi kiti gwek mo ken anati karan ne we mo wakale district Aringi kere chama na biti kan mia pachwa sit secondary school La Mio sit secondary school, Wall sit secondary school, Kormo sit secondary school, angweni angweje ye weng ena komatini ana ai dugu kan foil.
And I did honorable councilor beach. I will want me a water honorable minister on Koma Beach RDC the contractor and Latin Pato Nyaki Luoni Kayanza Yamo Kolo Janziba atie councilor a beach milai murutan council atile loko won Koma Beach teno pot kere kimela tie karan mado lokum lim lokum don lobo kilokum lupi atane kin machati marachi patikilok eto yena lok atie dar lok matuong eto mera good lokum port contractor atane ngat makobule miro copy contractor malena da ni uye ni unu betiu ki lo tie na magang kan wan watiki pero ni ka unu cho lo tie na magang kan un po chulo ki karna ke come le na tie ni umiro nene o chulo ka unu cho lo tie na magang kan o choyo ka kare dok mena o chol ki kom karna ke come ka lo tikma mi unu ti ka chulo ne pieni wan no kini sai papa ku yena po unu lwa ko mi pa chwa ko wen kin ma unu winyo ke tin pini no lokwa pieni jo madon kiti kan chunya yom doka wakati koma pieni neno kin ma unu jo ke project ke meni ye kit ma o mi rwan jo mi pa chwa wa yile kere ku yena po ngat mo mi o ngom mateka dada pieni la bo ngom don lo bero peke ana lege jo ka malo bo jo mi pa chwa kin ma minister tika launching project eni umir waneni project eni wan wa woro dok wa ngiyo kin matika tikere kilok machigo ni uyena agika kan amoru matek kon ko dok pape
total fo bino lutwa jomo gore uye bene ane la minwa tikany ma bibero councilor beach machon matoro pa emol kumbia pachwa mega team Beatrice bimo jomia pachwa ba wajoli tiromo dog ma pimor bene itel wa bibero council ikelo gama poli ya gago yomia pachwa bene wajoli ba fo bino
Lego Minister, One Koma Beach, Adit RDC, the Deromoy, councillors, Mekarane, Unjo Mukan Dicho, Anna Morova, Kifo Yesu Christo, Kifo Yesu Christo, Yatin Yom Tutual, Nilek Paumia, Dobino Chope, and Pabilo, Mapol, and Dana Wall, Dog Dana Budaka Kama, Kaka Gudak Chen, Era Mera. Dong titi jilo mawako bino chuwa ni tambe mi ani weka kwano ni alego ni tin daga chil mi kilo tieni ya kwang SS wek ku kwan mabe weka wano ri ka lok kilo tieni ya kwang SS ana foyo ritual umia jolo school daga lego ni wachualu do tieni gang kwan loga chil mana mira watch ereni na ne wano logo kilo tieni ku kwan ero pon lok ti bor wan no nyoro ni kala tien tira kwan ne ni mio lok mabejo kila tien won ka mangini chara ja legi ni mi anda kira chiel wa mi cha der enini ikar mana penye senior bichiel atika donye university no mira chira team lo ero pa karo point sore mario metim lo wa bella ngon ko chida chiro amir chira bero journalist European young materi ki yerli weird diot wan right wan lip away journalist bearing at a leng we ata na kwer ber journalist kuna tigi wara game ber journalist ti wan lu nyoro kai ka wachulu fees leb way ko motiano mero be leb mu pore kuni wanya kila tini yini riek yini ramoya iram ber dakta iram ber gini we ku mi pi chunyo tien mi ber gimo an pa bi log mo ma pol tien eto wiupu wili koma ana tieba uru ngeo ko tiana oni wengu mia kan o chero nyuro luki yolo ki fo kan wa nyur ni kora tim men chet yulo kuyo nyur kora tim chi atiga kama ma un be do ngeo chenja unu punya kitela matimu apiere we bichi ken aduga penyo mano ti mwa piera dek mi tiere parliament pa mono wacha ne fura tiri ana tego ha adi tier donga ka mon me nyevri na choni ana foye matek ba medugo
Foye totwa la minwa kansila machon bimot bijoni luak cha tie marach uyena pichama na jon kispa won koma beach ergin man lego kache wawinyo lo pa constructor la dit mu lo kanye kano tich enu no tich roma ngo no tich romo tumo ko loko ber ma mita dada ero gina lego ne lo bokore won kom wa lo kore kaka nyamiro ka choke ke bed pin kany we gawe wona ber fo total a jure lo kilwa ka fo
matak to merpo anto bi logo ma pol amete la merani ku logo manu wang ching wa un puru ne wa akar ko pen pol lok ber ke winki bor anting yu te kan ke du ber por be du lo ko mo ko tin no kala me woni mega pojiken pojna ma chien bot la dik do president Yoweri Museveni inenu ne ni we rom me kwan ku bit la man in Uganda miri sab county chien miri ku bit ngo kisinia ye we ko wani mi pa chotin wa tiki ngo kisinia dong chi upo yuwe mena wario opuela mega kore gin mu ker ma peke wajo kum chiki ku na wani district achiel mior nong sit secondary school achiel ke ken pingo e mwaka achiel kit gumbe ono achiel padebe ono achiel abimbe ono achiel endo pikwiri pakela kore pikupene pedirumu uji wen we ko ero beru la wi mon ke minen minister we ko waji in minister piki minen ne joker ma minister ke minen sit secondary school kira di ario achiel ti umia pa chuo wano ti yene achiel ti la miyo ko dung chingu do po akor kan yo mo wachi mero ginu miyo ko ba mero miyo kakare amira po la dit RDC ki dega nok bien school lu school palwa Inu we kono wai ni mete lwa ko betie ka loke ki we gen ko ngere school meki kuti ker ma bene o beru ne o dum chi mo po e ber ku be lo ke do kono ya ane wai pa be lo ma pol no tua me o mia get to cool ki ker ke tien lo en don ki ker ni en contractor do biro ni en contractor be che kene be ger ko ngere ko mene o diru do wa ko bot contractor o diru do wa ko bot yu were o diru wa ko tiana ko ro diru do biro ko tien wa na ma winyo wek school ni ku chu miri kinero pagamente wek school ni ku chu miri kinero pa jomia mir ki ti ke kin ma ka ti school kere akare era ko lu ngwe peke waje kirwe ko tieno bira kwana sinia bir kirwe ko tieno chere kwana sinia mero pe ka kar mero te yata ya ke kwere ki jae kum lok ke ko metieni mero wandong ni school lo ngoro kele chuma wa pongo ko manoro tieno mo dong ngora pieno tieno primary pong kwere e pong kai kai cher la bima ben kitu la mi onet ben kitu lo mo ben kitu mi apa chwa ka waro chwa no tieno to le mege ko butu ko chwa no tieno e primary maro tieno pongo kunu bene pe ke chwa ken ke chwa ke ti wekin ko be kenyu loka to kwaji wiro de kwana to pe kwaj matuan to kwan wiro kwano de weng loku chi mero nyomo chone goba kwan pe ke da nyom chi kwan diga bi no mo da ma no beru ke miet ka no ti ko kwan chi ka wana we o ti ko kwan pra na gru pe de pe nyego chi dong jo ma diga bi ka kwan o mia sit secondary school no ngo no tie loka bot no nwan wi ko ti no che kwene e chukul jomia pachwa anatie no ba waji mi rabe tie abi yelle kite ona gubra du wanga loka o beru mi pachwa mata ne du be ya da we ko ta ento pure tie en mene woni won ko de wajane won ko de la cho mata yelle ka loko mi pachwa binu ria bi project mi pi wakero angene nge wa ria de no pi dong ti ka beru weng loki ke maro pi ma ku ti e ya ngur no ngure ka nyu do ngo o pe ke pien pi mi ke to ke ta pi muri dano mi du mi wa pu la mi ka kore mi du mi wa pu president yo wer ma pu RDC pien wan wa ka ma pi dong pe ko pi tek ye lo ke ga ko ni kwere o mi ba chwa we ko project mi pi pa e por ti o mi ba chwa ke pe ka mo ke ga ko ti kan ke abira wini lok mo ma LC1 wajo cho toro chunya la dit RDC kango ka wachi won ko ma chiel e lokke mama ko gina dio dano ni loku mo ku tire ka diang ke kwara kai chiwo bora ka GPS wa ni do ko titi waja do tugo diang do ngo ko cheta ko tiru chamete I found that they were saying there's a current policy right now that when you are pursuing the thugs, the raiders, once the GPS tells you that you are now in Kotido, you tell the forces to come back and you allow the animals to go toward Kotido. That's what they are saying. Okay? Ento olutua, kau time pe akwero. Ento mara niu chingwini karipuru biru, nike kwa diang, kelobu kwa diang. En puri duemi abichele, dieme ke kwa nyaki kamono jui ko, yes. Keria mo ko ke kichir ka udini ko na ki kama ki runi ngo na pum pum ke kero dia na kan jo kan na pum pum puri duemi abichele chika mo ti mo ke kan ti pangeo an ke ko kero ti jo mia ma do pangeo nyingi eta huwa chelo be wota jalle mamar be ru kana bilum ka tan nyanga muzeni peri wota peri ma chele perni wan wo chelo na ka do ka tela kan jipu chelo na ka chiri ki muzi mo ke luona nga queen ujok mo ujok queen ujok nga yes wa tiro kero die tuanne mo ma luoni la win edi ko edi kai upe kai digo apindi kai ja le bin kai uso no lok watini te ka diang ke ngoro ko ke lok ko na ka diang chiriye wan wa chiru kunu wa duku diang di mo warti ja wini wano dadi ba kan no wanti lo ngo ti maru kunu wan pe wa wachi ke dugo ko chen chiana ngeni loku kati lokata chi mier ke yobo wan wa chir wan ke jalle uno be ma wan no dio kere dianga jando de kere re lore che we ko ne dieni jalo ne to we to na cha luni la win diang le wi ke te diang le wi na mu wa dio wi jala fo so amir mo ko ne mun chikiti mi lo ko diang na ngo ko tido. I'm telling them what you people have been doing, including recently. They came and raided a village called Kamonoju in Paimol. You people went up to Kotiro and brought back the water of the animal. So if you people, near Pachwa are doing that, it must change. So they round up the whole job. Lokome jikino tikiteni. One put what here, what is the caramel? Opiara one query, carry job. One do be mobilizing down. Everybody who piro be no chacolotino, Latin mo pico dongang, Kipro be no tin went to pro bo, no one thing mobilizing down to the no it you official that Timako. Bacardonia. Ana peki look my poor kid was it? Carme, what you look at here, we better teach you one what do kind. Or ya, wang, who think bow, narrow. YouTube, one never go, kitchen duke, never go, keep Bessian. Damn, pay ye, where don't look good here, not a balancing the word and not a tomb and con water con your page it and twirl. And one a good get you lane. Nenwa, winwa, every patient, get in the kettle, what a joy. Look about here. Get a warm at it, RDC. Evil, not down. Dear Chingy, don't know one will be me out for a tage or me up in a bomb.
NRM oye Pangeo kiramira fu kede lupanga donyi chwinyo Wega meda lupanga donyi chwinyo NRM oye Amir winyo tungkuja NRM oye Kitili ne put peromo NRM oye Museveni oye Akori oye! Won't come up be jolly oye! Won't come a deck oye! Point your hour, mother. Yeah, you tin me better kind. And probably logo my twong pian me go tikan. Amiro a chaki phone askari me can't go a malupin. Rien. Do chero. Askari makanye ne don't the smartest askari man and foodie. Watchman, then kill this smart kid. And everyone in NRM government. Yala vi meti kota rio. Kota rio vi meti nyeri. Ene gina kiwajo ni Tano mangiu ni tiche imaro. Teach when teach. Owe watia wachi. Kainet ki mi teach. Mi bit very smart. I bit organized. Afu matelu ba medikum. Ichieng ba chia dead bin officer. Igam kota rio. Pangeo kami ngabu mukene ye kaya tika rio. Ingabi ka achil. Pengabi ka achil iken. Kedu ka pera rio. And Chope keep it right. Come, Dr. Genio Ganganyero, you never hear. Where am I John Neo? So, Tin Amir Wajo Mego, Ne Karmawano Pino, Kagamo Mino School. Arapiro no one come one at Terra when. I went in school, Pagamente, school Mamu 7 Tech, and Pilwak, no, Mia, Miro Peri history, Pajomo, Mia, Miro Darway Opin. And probably me school in. What I will tell a kilo tell man, but I chung what near any. Wait and me away at time for the year. Probably me school. Went down well being. Get a till la character in Yapo. Very ye do a D. You have when Chica and you look at the tear to Uganda. It do really. That don't wait Julie go. Teen what tear Joel la till la care. My child school in it. Dan well repair. I made a fool to twirl, a fool no be no twirl moon. ko yin tingu malo mege ko nen kon nero mege ki ken kon no ba be dugum no mira biel wa biela era we ko choka gang abi du gi choka abiel wu wen pi neno ne uteno log me don lobo pe odum kan kita yangi ikar ko museveni do museveni wa ini ki ripe ka chiel ki mege ki mon menene ni don lobo pertie we hunu tikany Ramir wachune ni pichawa manok log metela chago binu guba madon chago wire ma chiel ki chago wachini an wana leo imago tiang yo bumbu lura rio ikwalo ko ikanji ikwalo imago wano chichera charne harwe chia elubange chia eni me chago tiang eri logoba Wapenye division commander. Peti diang mo maromo agi kain ma one security po ngeu. Eno ni lok ma tero tuchi. Diang mo ki ken ma gango ki kutidu no one way lotela AC1, AC2, AC3. Tiki nyit. Ko berchan mi rochu maten. Wano beru kutidu wani won kom a beach. Kutidu mo wano beru ni o jong me kutidu kitika miro bino don ka bera bere idam kalungo kitika yupe ki kuya so wan miro bere matek mene neni wano ko o ingom ka tiki ngom wa we kino bino waye ka wiyeni ngorimo ma bino ka wechi logata tai log me ngom mwa kuya wa we ko jo ko o ye wa bi welo wa ngwe awobe oyupe opa kweru ichetafu wego jong don nongwa pegiro bino pier ko chan wa ker gai pegiro mo donyo wure miro donyo cher ngata ju itiki ngom lungata pe maru ngata ju dano we dano ku cher nyom itina wobe ko chan pegi mone chingi pegi nyomo pien chente pegi miro yab yo we chente o donye chingu no fura amira fo mego ni tractor dek mai lobbying la wo maja ki bo saleni we bien ka konyo nwa tractor dek maton o we bieno a cher we bero kan i kon cha dek we bero tie donc jemi petit me nono Uganda kan ginu mo mati me nono peke kan na ta chunki di peke eno wele ner ko chawa ni jimiti atime mabeni tela mabe mamego minister ki won koma bitie kere ene we jimiti abinu botu ko we nger mo volu we nger mo rojui u ni o kwantie no ki accelerator o jo alew we nger mo voli kwantie ni ki accelerator pamego hey kwanyo wan gera no watie ni penino eta mira po jomani tie ko fonyongo ne diel ka don gereyo ifoni yero kumero bebe riemu tana ta kirwa mena rie kware gori tie lenu ni kucha mo leo tie lenu ko ke ki ko wali ko tengo ko fony we ka leo ku betie we kunyutu direction ngoma tie Mane gina mira wochi uka maleng umia. Kuch matinti ka bino riba, kuche ki riba. Kuche ki tia. Mira fo won komade. Ya ke amalgo. Bien ka maleng. Mochia wana yang pie morchia. Gumedi. Won komade pe wani no kere. Ante ye. Ka watele kere chamu ke lok me umia. Pe ki timu kumeno. Eno watimo man. Ka utiki dan o kiteni. Ukwaki ka wacha bulu wacha tano bulu abitonku pia rocha mer wa dek no to giru mo pege pia rocha mer marai pia rocha mer mango mutaro so pe o kunu ne jeme chawani bien come tikamale ucha wunyene dong no me school Long money ma Arabi bini ya bina ne koma. Long money ni wabi choyo litino kind story anta mira practical. Me tira wo yo be me pin ka ti. Wele eno pe pin I mero ke gam chene chapira cheli mero chapira rio. Ne wero ti jana. Pero wenu ke gam chene kong ka wenyu. So kaki mi ti kan walk chente 7 chente meneno nele tieno do school. Ko we ti mi mon me chulo le tieno ke ken. Wan cho mi ro ka tu. Ti mo be ber mo ka chel billion ti ka eni. Mi ro dok botwa. Me giki log me yo skiti road. Wa pero la ne cha bota la dit. Ki kwae log ni skiti road mi ro a ke dilang wa orom. Wekine ne ki blocking Johnny. Ujong dong pegi romo donyo kan pien you cha weng no one ti ye. Mene gin po donyo. So program ni angene tie wano be work ke duka chen mene ne je mo kan timen. Loka ma giki long ma eno penyu long me diang. Long me diang. Me doko diang gang. Ke ya cool. Wabi yu penyu ni. Ta chen ke du. Abi pieno papa is wapenyu. Itimu ni ibigwa ni pien mo wa kire ni wo kedu ka wa bi twa ko be wo kedu lo mo ni diang peki lubu ko arwa kutiri ni mo log zero e ke kwa ni diang o che to wo gani bi wa yi bi na kwa ne ko no kwa ne diang kai la dira leo wa bi to ki joni way out gi kome musebe no wini wa ti kunu wa nge twa diang wa ya wa ye lo ki GPS wan ko bina GPS wanero ko diang ye wan ko bina GPS wan bina ko diang wo kwene lo gangi ni wa diang wa lo ki GPS wan pe ye da pe ne wa no wi pe bina kwa ne mo gina wan ko mi ye wa bi ti ye ma te ange lo me penyo lo ke eno lo me chente le Paris development model we made it. The made ti anene jeme no woro ka chiel. Mo we beru ka lubune. Atiki lo wa magiti kan lulukora assistant RDC Latin area kan. Enti office border lubukora assistant na Gerio. And in a way, you know where near ko chanti koti wa ki cancel lo mega yuting but near go la dit president any amigo totality na gago ayal biro ko changi te tiji disu mu kan we actually we tigi nyero so mir wa muti ngo u be bit we go tigi ma afo imet tu nyero un nge nyergo nyero
Jopana tie Nyao chana Morris anatela ten mamigo kany abetio kedu lo checho medu kom
la dit chane kamana mama fon leba chulo do ange do mi ne bible mama dictionary makwo
I'm called Major Aringa, CO79 Battalion. The issue of the GPS is wrong because we don't follow GPS to track animals, we follow animals. And I don't think there is someone who always go with us, see where we stop and where we don't stop. That one is wrong. And the issue of Nomia Patwa, for the last almost 10 months, these people have not stolen from here. I don't know where these people, what they were following, because they have not stolen here for a long time. Thank you.
Thank you. Don't take la detail. Tika mate. Dano makana golo oda. Machero kere lum kacher. Dano mamara chuli. Dano ma uweropa yeni ke kop. Do amira fo mia pachua. Cho mo mia pachua. Uru cho mate. Amira fo mono go jili pucho gukong. Chogu. Johnny cho matego. Ikarmana work kind, go ye, men or any work at Gilum, who forming very fast. You can woro. edo jono amal wa no ko chiru o we ko kan ku be chani bene tichete e binata pay dog samira fuma tek angeni chawa pere kamegitie mirebo inge mege enegiriak mapilare kiru nywalo latien ma wiu lor romene dano no be nene gini raj eno tiro yilo ne malo boy na nito o boy na nito o boy na nito o boy tera wiu lor ba wa deng we wanga so kamegi mirefo mego bin we ilokelwa we jolo mego